When embarking on the journey of seeking legal representation for your divorce, remember, you do not have to choose the first attorney that you have contacted. Hi, my name is Kristen Wolf with Wolf & Shore Law Group, and we help people get through their family law matters so they can move on with their lives. Make sure you check out our channel to view all of our other videos. In the field of family law, experience is key. The field encompasses a lot of legal nuances that require time and experience to master. We often say to people, just like doctors, sure, could a cardiologist deliver a baby? Probably, but would you want them to? Probably not. So, when you're looking for an attorney for your divorce, could a civil attorney represent you through your divorce? Sure. Do you want them to? Probably not. So to help in your selection process, we've broken it down into 10 simple questions to ask during your consultation to determine whether the family law attorney that you're meeting with is the right one for you. Question number 1, do you focus on family law? I know it seems silly to ask, but it's important to have a lawyer who practices in this field often. Question number 2, how long have you been practicing family law? Time and experience is always something that is a factor in whether or not that person is right for you. Question number 3 and question number 4. How promptly do you respond to clients when they have a question? If you are not in the office, do you have staff that can help me? These 2 questions sometimes go hand in hand. Oftentimes, as family law attorneys, we're in court. We can't always be answering all of your questions, but the right attorney is going to have the right staff members that can sit there and either get a hold of the attorney or can answer your questions on demand. Additionally, the right attorney is going to set the groundwork for your communication moving forward. Most of us attorneys have 9-to-5 jobs, just like you. So the questions that are going to be answered are likely going to be answered during business hours. Question number 5, how do you structure your fees? You need to make sure that the right attorney is going to fit within your budget and also be fair with their fee structure. Question number 6, what external costs may arise and how are those costs going to be billed? External costs can include anything from filing fees, marshal fees, investigators' fees, expert witness fees, you name it. It's important to know right off the bat how those fees are going to be billed, how they will be handled, and whether or not they're coming out of your retainer. Question number 7, am I able to directly negotiate with my spouse if I want to? This is a very case-specific question. You really need to be on the same page with the attorney that you're meeting with. So to ask this in the consultation will set the groundwork for how your negotiations are going to move forward from here on out. Question number 8, what is the best way to provide you information so that I can minimize costs? This is easy. Provide it to us electronically so that we can then save it and not have to spend our time scanning, copying, faxing, and mailing. Number 9, have you worked on cases previously that are similar to mine? I can't answer for all attorneys, but I can tell you at Wolf & Shore Law Group, the answer is probably yes. And number 10, how frequently am I going to be speaking with you? Well, I can't answer for other attorneys, but I can tell you that at Wolf & Shore Law Group, the answer is always going to be, it depends. By asking these questions, you're going to be able to determine how an attorney runs his or her practice and determine whether or not that practice is a good fit for you and your case. We are also cognizant that divorce can be an expensive endeavor. That's why we offer refundable retainers for our fee structure. We often tell people, listen, although this is how we make our money, we're not here to take your money because that's not going to be good for us or for you. And if you're concerned about minimizing your costs, then you're welcome to speak with your spouse if you think that it's going to be helpful and it may actually be productive. So what do you think? Leave a comment below and feel free to ask any questions. If you have any questions regarding a family law matter here in the state of Connecticut, schedule a call with our team and set up a consultation. In less than an hour, we will set up an outline as to how the process works and answer any questions you may have. I am Kristen Wolf with Wolf & Shore Law Group, and we look forward to helping you.